Hi guys. I turned on auto lock on my Renault Sandero. I don't know if it's gonna work on this one because it's different model years. But if it works, then this is how to do it. So we're just gonna turn the car on and then, well, I'm gonna try and replicate what I did, but it was by mistake. But I think I just held the button for long and then, did you hear the beep? And then once it does that beep, auto lock has been activated. So let's just turn the car off and then we're gonna go for a drive and then we're gonna see if it's gonna auto lock. Let's see if it's gonna auto lock. Let's see. It auto-locked! So yeah, if you drive a Renault, Triber, Sandero, Clio, and your car doesn't auto-lock, and that's how to get it to auto-lock. Just turn the car on, press the button for a few seconds, and then it's going to auto-lock. Alright, thank you guys. I'll catch you on the next video.